Hello, my name is Jim Sarka, and I'm the head of technology, also our CIO for our MedTech business at Johnson Johnson for the Asia Pacific region. We have four major businesses within MedTech. The first is around general surgery, where we make equipment that surgeons use to perform a surgery. We also have an orthopedics business that makes implants that help, correct issues that somebody might have, for example, breaking a bone. We also have a cardiovascular business that focuses on stroke and arrhythmia, as well as a vision business. So if you need corrective lenses as it relates to contacts, that's an area that we also focus on. Yeah, so I'm a business-facing technologist, which basically means that for all of our commercial, supply chain, and R&D functions that happen within the region, that our teams will get engaged with to understand what's the key business problems that we're trying to solve, how can we best serve our customers, and then provide various types of solutions based off of what's the goal we're trying to go after. Because we're a manufacturer of medical devices and technologies, we'll have ERP systems to support us with the planning, as it relates to delivering and making these particular products and getting them into our customers. On the commercial side, we certainly have CRM and other omni-channel and digital capabilities to engage a customer, to help train a customer. For some of the products and services we make, one of the key things we need to help healthcare physicians with is how to use them. So we use digital technologies to teach them a bit about the product, market the product, and learn about how to use the best practices. Now that might be through an immersive capability like augmented or virtual reality, or in a classic sense where we're doing all sorts of different types of telementoring or other digital learning. Yeah, so our focus from a customer point of view are healthcare physicians. Our mission is to help support them save lives. If you can think about a patient, when they're on an operating theater or an operating bed, they're at the most vulnerable moment in their life. So our company manufactures different types of devices and technologies and services to be able to help the HCP do the job and support the patient. Yeah, so we'll work with a myriad of different distributors or the hospitals direct. It all depends upon what the way that the market is and the go-to-market model that exists. Yeah, no, so there's certainly supply chain processes. We'll manufacture and we'll deliver those. But, certainly depending upon what product we're selling, there could be, digital commerce involved direct to the individual patient. So when we think about our vision business, we are engaging directly to help patients understand about the brand, how it can connect. So there is a patient education opportunity, but we also need to be mindful that much of the recommendations will come through the HCP. So they're a real core target as it relates to helping, because they'll actually make the recommendations on what's best for a patient to engage with when it comes to a surgery or other procedures that are required. Yeah, from an industry perspective, where we see things advancing are with major innovations in the digital surgery space. So when you think about robotics and capabilities that could be provided in the operating theater, solutions that help a hospital become more efficient, allows the doctors to be able to do and perform procedures quicker is certainly an area. When we think about training, we talked about before, the whole space around virtual reality, augmented reality, being able to do telementoring. There's scenarios when we take into consideration that there's experts in completely different parts of the world. So how do we take the knowledge and the expertise of a healthcare physician in one part of the world and help educate and support healthcare physicians that are, say, performing a surgery or vice versa in a completely different part of the world? So connecting them through different technologies, through telehealth services is an area that is certainly going to be growing.